this is Hayden. Welcome to my Power BI tutorial video. In this video, we're going to cover some of the basics around setting up relationships between tables and why. So in previous videos, I've talked through how to import a single Excel file, a CSV file, and a list of CSV files from a single folder. And what that's given me is several tables. So I've got my destinations, I've got my hub locations, orders, products, and shipments. Now what I want to do is build a relationship between these, because quite simply, if I were to show you a simple table, so I've got my shipment data here. If I was to look at bringing a few files, so if I look at shipping date, source location. Now if I wanted to put the source location name from the source location table, which is hub locations, as you can see, this was from destination location 80. I'm going to add in the city of that, and it won't work. The reason is because this data isn't related to each other just yet. So through the process, what I have here, if I just zoom out so you can see a little bit better, I have my shipments table, which for me is the primary table. I have my hub locations and I have my destination locations. What I also have is my orders table. If I scroll across here, and I have my products table. Now what's happened, Power BI has already built some relationships for me. If I select that, you can see that shipment ID column name here and shipment ID here. Power BI sees that they're possibly related because of the same name and builds a relationship. What I have is a many to one. What this means, in an order, there are many shipment IDs and there's one shipment in the shipment table. So each shipment might have multiple orders in. Same here, product ID. If I look at the orders, an order ID has a product ID, and that links to a product. And again, that's a many to one relationship because there's many product IDs because there's many orders, but there's only one product ID in my master. I'll click OK. What it hasn't done, it hasn't connected my hub locations or destinations to the shipment data. The reason for that is because the column names don't match, so we have to build that relationship ourselves, and it's very simple. So if we look at hub locations here, which are effectively our source locations of our shipment, these are the warehouses that we ship product from. So if I find the source location here, all I have to do is drag that to the ID field. Okay, and that has built a one-to-many relationship, or a many-to-one. So the one here means that there's one. The asterisk means that there's many. So if I just show you that data again, the hub location, yeah, so these top rows, row 80, will all now link to Glasgow. Same for the destination locations. The location ID didn't match the destination location, so quite simply click and drag, and it's built that for me again, a one-to-many relationship. Now, if I show you that table that we had before, what we have here is the shipping data. Now, if I add the hub location city, you can see that that visual now works. So anything with 80 is Glasgow, 34 Manchester. If I show you the data, there you go, that data matches. So that's how and why we build relationships in Power BI. And that's this tutorial over. In the next video, I'll start taking you through some Power Query on how to really make the most of your tables and how we maybe combine tables and just get the data in the format that you want it. Thanks for listening and watching. Goodbye.